Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a little bit of a different video today because I'm working with YouTube on their new campaign. Can you believe that in February it will be 10 years since I posted my first ever YouTube video? 10 years! That is such a long time to have been posting myself on the internet, and YouTube has changed my life in so many ways. When I first started my channel, I was posting celebrity makeup videos and reviewing makeup products. I did a couple of nail tutorials at the start as well, and I just kind of thought, yeah, I'll give it a go. I watch a lot of YouTubers. It looked like fun to me, but I never ever thought that it would end up being my career, especially 10 years later. It was a dream, but I didn't think that I would actually get here and have something come from it. And those of you who are with me all the way back then will remember that I used to be called Soph Does Nails. That was what this channel used to be called. And I did actually start out by posting some nail tutorials, but then I quickly realised that I actually preferred making makeup content. And nail videos were actually really difficult to film because it's just harder to get the right angles. And when I'm doing my nails, I work really close to my face and it's just really hard to film that. And I realised that I preferred making makeup content anyway, so I tried something. It didn't work out, but then I switched it up and tried something new. So I started posting more makeup reviews and full faces of affordable makeup and finding makeup dupes. And I still make that kind of content today, and I just tried to stay as consistent with it as I could. I was posting as much as I possibly could, which definitely worked in my favour. And I've spoken about this before, but I remember feeling like I had made it on YouTube when I had my first ever AdSense payment come in, and I think it was for about £100, or it might have been $100 actually. It was whatever the threshold was to be able to take money out of your AdSense account. But I remember showing my parents and being like, look, I've actually made a bit of money off of this little hobby of me filming myself in my messy bedroom. But I remember being so excited because I was like, oh, amazing, that can pay for some more makeup for my next YouTube video. I think I actually went and made an order straight away of some new makeup, and that money went a long way because I was buying really affordable makeup, and from there I was slowly able to invest more into my channel. In each video I posted, I was taking the AdSense money and reinvesting it back into my channel until eventually I was able to upgrade my equipment, because I started my channel using a hand-me-down camera that my grandparents had given me, and it was not the best camera, but obviously it did the job. And then eventually I was able to upgrade it and upgrade my lighting. Eventually, I think maybe a few years down the line, I got a microphone. So it didn't all happen immediately. It wasn't an overnight kind of thing, but when I did have more free time, I would put my free time into making more YouTube videos, because back then I was also a uni student, so I was trying to do both things at the same time. And eventually I hit 100,000 subscribers. I did it! Getting this 100,000 subscriber plaque and the letter that came with it from YouTube was such a surreal moment, because I had watched YouTubers get these plaques, and that had always been a dream that I thought was so far off. And once I'd hit that 100k, I was like, okay, sweet, I've made it. And I continue to grow and I continue to track my subscribers. I used to check my subscribers every single day. And in the back of my mind at that point, as I continued to grow my channel, I did sort of think maybe one day, maybe I would get to 1 million. But that was like the biggest dream. But eventually that happened too. And this is actually always in my background. I don't know if you've noticed it. Normally it's facing the other way, but I thought I'd get it out for this video. So if you also have a crazy dream in your head, don't give up on that thought, because who knows what might happen one day. And from just posting YouTube videos on this channel and continuing to post about makeup, I got to have the dream opportunity of making my own makeup collection with a brand. And then later down the line, I got to have my own accessories collection and clothing, which isn't even something that I considered would be a possibility. So if you have got a dream of doing something similar, or if you're passionate about something and you want to make YouTube videos on it, please don't be afraid to try it, because if you go back and watch some of my older videos, they are not great at all, but somehow I still made it to where I am today. So you can grow. You learn and grow the more that you post. You grow your confidence, you grow your editing skills, you grow your tech skills. You don't have to start out by being perfect and being the best of whatever you're doing, but in order to get somewhere, you do have to start. And YouTube has changed a lot since when I first started posting videos. They now have shorts, for example, so if you're not too sure where to start with posting longer videos, then you can post shorts, which are just up to 60 seconds long. So if that feels like less pressure and a way to ease yourself into it, then you can go for that. I've taken part in some fun shorts trends over the past couple years. And also as well, I find that shorts are quite a good way to gain a new audience. But if I had never posted that first YouTube video nearly 10 years ago, and obviously all of the videos after that, if I'd have just thought, oh, I'm not going to make it, I'm just not going to bother, then I would not be sat here posting a video in collaboration with YouTube themselves. And if you have got a passion for something, don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. This is the finished makeup look, by the way, just some glitter and rhinestones. If you have stuck around all this time, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here. And maybe if you're watching me for the first time in this video, then welcome to my channel. I'm not going anywhere, by the way. This kind of sounds like I'm leaving. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still going to keep posting YouTube videos, so subscribe. Everyone has to start somewhere. My first videos are really not great, but I grew and I learned and I improved, and here I am now. Thank thank you to YouTube themselves for having me in this campaign, and thank you to you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little makeup look and a trip down memory lane, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!